Hey guys, we are going to take you along with us garage sailing. This sale was a moving sale, and right off the bat, we come upon this giant assortment of shoes. She was asking $3 per pair, which is awesome. We already sold this pair of Nikes, and then there were two of these new with tags Adidas. We sold one pair of these for $50 plus 10 shipping. The shoes were also in my size, which was an added bonus, so I did keep a pair for myself. Rookie mistake, we should have had our IKEA bag with us because we were loading up. You can see our hands were full. We did eventually just start a pile because she had so many great items.
Can I set these over here by you? Okay. So right here.
Okay, I'm ready. Those
You're
were
ready?
quite what I was looking for.
We sold this Panasonic VCR VHS player locally. We actually probably could have gotten more for it, but we just wanted to move it, and we didn't have to deal with shipping or anything like that. So that was another item that sold really quickly from the sale.
Treasures?
I am. You've got some good stuff.
I just set him behind the don't call Sammy Keats when he comes here, he has to work.
Yeah, just had to wait till I could line up the right kind of equipment to move silos.
Some of those are hobos. And actually,
Yeah.
if you know what they are, I'll show you these two.
Okay.
So that one's brand new, that's a hobo. And this one,
Nice.
I even have the back to put it in. If your wife needs a nice gift,
Okay.
don't tell her you spent $25 on that.
I usually find most of her gifts at garage sales and don't tell her. Actually, she's always happy about that.
I know, seriously.
Okay, as I'm editing this footage and see this conversation, I have to laugh and interject before Jeff gets grilled for this because I honestly love thrifted gifts. Maybe it is the reseller in me. I don't know. Let me know if you also love thrifted gifts as a reseller, or am I just an odd duck for preferring thrifted gifts? I'm really curious. Sorry, I know these angles aren't great. We'll have to work on that with the next video so you can see the tags, but these were all Shein brand, and it's not usually a brand that we like to pick up to resell. This helmet was nice, but she was wanting a little more than we wanted to pay for it given what solds were, so we did end up leaving that behind.
I think I'm ready to check out with you.
You ready?
Yep.
I trust you, so just
Okay. So this came from the free bin. Yeah.
Thank you for checking out.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 18, 20, 22, and that was 5. 27.
27. Are you
Okay.
gonna Venmo or cash?
Can I Venmo you?
Yep, that's
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. I'll grab that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Of course.
They're called muff.
So Jeff is looking up this doTERRA Raindrop essential oil kit. It was new, still sealed. doTERRA, especially new sealed like that, does really well for us. We were looking at these Madewell shoes, but they were just starting to pull up along the edges. That's what I'm pointing out. And so we decided to leave those behind. She wanted $15 for them, which is totally fair if you're getting them for yourself, but for resale, we figured the profit margin wasn't quite where we wanted it to be, so we did leave those behind.
Would you do 20 on this one?
Love to.
Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna get that. Wait,
They are 15 each.
I'm gonna get this. We'll just wait for her to.
We actually listed that doTERRA kit
ready?
in the car and it sold before we even got home, so definitely a bolo item for you.
Parked right there, so I didn't have to run far.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
This last sale had some cute clothes, however, they were pretty worn, unfortunately, so we did leave pretty much everything behind, but we did grab this Nike hoodie that should do great for us.
Are these ones yours too?
No, these ones are mine. Those ones are over there.
Okay. Your Venmo. Thank you.
Thanks so much for coming along with us yard selling today. This was a compilation of the random Friday yard sale and then Saturday morning. Definitely the random Friday sale was much better than our Saturday morning haul, but that's okay. Sometimes we find tons of stuff and have an awesome haul at just one yard sale. Other times, you know, we go to a few and pick up 1 or 2 items from each sale, and it can be very hit or miss. So I just want to portray a real yard sale experience. Not every yard sale is just an awesome haul. Sometimes we only pick up a couple things, sometimes we don't pick up anything, and that's just the reality of it. But all in all, we were super happy and grateful for everything we found that weekend. And some of the items have already sold. Thanks so much for subscribing if you already have, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel a ton and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Happy thrifting.